Good afternoon. We are sitting next to a 2008 Subaru Tribeca. We are changing the automatic transmission fluid filter. So that's the replacement filter there. Make sure you fill it up with ATF Dextron 6 for this one. That's that there. And then dip your finger in it, rub it around the seal there. The one you're taking off is right here. I thought that there was some tricky way I'd be able to see it without doing this, like reaching from the top or from the bottom, and it's just impossible. It doesn't exist. You can't see it unless you take off the wheel and pull this piece down. Otherwise, it's just completely invisible. So there it is. It was tight. I used that. And if it's ever too tight, you could just punch a screwdriver through it, get real sloppy. But that's it, easy. You just have to find it, but it's easy. You can do it. Have a great day.